How to add music to Capcut without screen recording. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add music to Capcut without screen recording. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open the Capcut app. Tap on New Project. Select the video you want to edit. Tap on Add. Tap on Add Audio. Then tap on Add Sounds. If you sign in with TikTok, you can add songs from TikTok. If you tap here, you get two options: to add sound from video and to add sound from your phone. Here you will get all the recommended songs. Here you will see all your sounds you have marked as favorites. All this music here is copyright free. Tap on which type of music you are looking for. Tap on the music you want to add and the download will begin. Once the download is completed, you can tap on plus to add it to your video. So this is how you can add music to Capcut without screen recording.